One.
Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in to Taproot TV. I'm Emily Pritt and I'm here with Barb Carr, who's going to tell us about a special course she has coming up on evidence collection and interviewing.
Yeah, we are going to have this class publicly pre-summit in May, and it's a 2-day course. So we talk about a lot of things. One thing we focus in on is investigative interviewing, because during an incident investigation, that's how we gather a lot of information, by interviewing the witnesses or people nearby or managers or experts. So we spend almost a whole day on that, as well as talking a little bit about nonverbal behavior, because that's just a way to communicate. And if you know a little bit about nonverbal behavior, you just become a better interviewer. We'll talk a little bit about emotional intelligence, which is a soft skill that's important to investigations. And then we spend another day, too, talking about different ways to collect evidence that do not include interviewing. Because a lot of times we want to focus in on, let's do a couple interviews and wrap this thing up, but there are lots of other ways that we can collect evidence. So we talk about how to collect the 3 Ps and an R, which is just a short way of saying, let's look for other people evidence, physical evidence, let's look for recording evidence or paper evidence. A lot of times people forget to go out and gather that type of thing, but that can really help you in completing your snap chart and getting a full picture of the what happened.
Okay.
So that's the really important thing we really stress in Taproot is you don't just jump to the why did this happen, but first you have to develop your snap chart or your timeline and figure out what happened.
So that's coming up. The pre-summit course is before we begin our summit, so it's going to be on Monday and Tuesday. That's May 2nd and 3rd.
Yes.
Yep, here in Knoxville, Tennessee at the Convention Center, and Barb's leading that course. We have some other pre-summit courses as well, so we'll drop a link below so you can see all the pre-summit courses that we're offering, in addition to what's happening at the summit. So now some people will show up just for the pre-summit course and go home. Some people show up just for the summit and go home, but if you show up for the entire week, you get to go to the pre-summit courses and the summit. You get a full week of summit week.
You can hang out with us all week. I mean,
right? Yeah, we'll tell you where to dine. We got all the great restaurants and stuff to do and have some fun in downtown Knoxville after each night as we conclude. So it'll be a fun-filled week full of Taproot training. We hope to see you there.
yes, absolutely.
Thanks for watching.